Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we gonna learn how to make a neon text effect. Before going to the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get all the upcoming tutorials. Okay, let's dark the background first with camera raw filters. It's done now. Let's type the text. Choose a thin font. Make sure your text color is white. Type whatever you want here. Go to Inner Glow first. Change the blend mode to normal and select the color you want to put the neon light. Let's move to outer glow. Select the same color that you selected for the inner glow. Adjust these settings until you get the light how you want. Okay, now let's move to drop shadow. Here we gonna give the effect that flow from the text to the wall. Change the blending mode to color dodge. Then it will be like the text color is overflowing over the wall. Let's reduce the brightness of the background a bit. Okay. Now I want to make two outlines. Go to rounded rectangle tool. Don't forget to change the pick tool mode to path. Click and drag how you want the outline. Then press Ctrl and Enter to make it as a selection. Now make a new layer. Go to Edit. Then select Stroke. There select white color. And stroke size about 15. If you want to make it as double outline, just duplicate that layer and adjust the size how you like. We'll make these two outline layers into a group. Now we can just copy the neon effect from the text layer. Right-click on the text layer and copy layer style. Now select the both outline layers. Right-click and paste layer style. Now let's change the light color of the outlines. I am gonna do it with the hue and saturation adjust. When you change the hue, it will affect all the layers. So we need to clipping mask it to the group. How we do it? Keep the adjustment layer over the group. Then press Ctrl Alt and G. Now you can change the color of the outlines by adjusting hue and saturation. If you like my video so far, please give a like and a comment. Now I like to give more details to the lights. Go to the background layer. Create a new layer over it. Then select brush tool. Choose the same color of the light where you want to give the effect. Change the blending modes to color dodge. Now brush to the shape, how the light going on. Easiest way to brush to a straight line is click on the starting point. Then click on the ending point with shift. If you want, you can reduce the opacity of the layer. I feel the blending mode overlay will be perfect for this. Let's do the same for the text as well. Here I am going to keep color dodge for the blending mode. If you want, you can reduce the opacity of the layer. Let's make all the layers into one. You can just flatten image or create a new layer on top, then give apply image. Now we can do some color adjustments in camera raw filter. I need a foggy effect. How we do it? Go to exposure adjustment layer. We'll give some small color effect as well. Go to color balance adjustment layer. I'll flatten this into one layer. Now I can do some final touches with dodge tool and burn tool. It's done. Don't forget to subscribe. Please give a like. If you have any questions, ask in comments section.